that Roadrunner. So now we're on Plomosa Road, and as soon as you pull on the Plomosa Road and you go over this cattle guard, the campground host is right in here. Right over here where his flag is, got a picnic table set up. You just stop in there, get your permit. It's a free permit, you just need to fill out a little paper so they know who they got in here, how long you can stay. 14 days free camping. So a quick pull out. I'm not far up the road here. I'm going to leave the camera on so you can see. There's camping on both sides, BLM camping on both sides of Plomosa Road. I think it's more scenic than Roadrunner, although Roadrunner so far is my favorite. I will say this place here, Plomosa Road, has blazing fast 5G AT&T service. Verizon's a close second. It's also 3 bars of 5G. Okay, so our turn off is just up here off to the left. I'm going to give you correct coordinates in the description for the turn off. Right before you get to milepost 1. You can make this, I made this with no problem, this wide turn with my 5th wheel. Nice hard packed gravel, level. My rig's right off to the right here. Straight ahead's my rig. Found a place. It's hard to find a place that knows what they're doing with solar back east. We're from West Virginia. And I had solar installed yesterday here in Quartzsite. A place called Discount Solar. The guy's been in business for 30 years. All the employees seem to be knowledgeable. That's my rig right there. And you can see some of the solar. I had 680 watts of solar installed yesterday. At 9 a.m. this morning, I was pulling in 14 amps going into my batteries at 9 a.m. So, really pleased with the install. Did a super professional job. I'm going to go up here. This view right here is the view from where I got my chair set up. setup here. Plomosa Road North. And there's camping on both sides of the road. I found more secluded sites back in, because you can go down different fingers. But this was my #1 pick. It's convenient. You can get in and out. Easy access to Quartzsite. Easy access to dump your trash. You don't have to cross washes to get to your rig. Yeah. So that's it for the driving tour. There's my rig. What a backdrop, huh? Those mountains are gorgeous. So I thought I'd give you a little view from the top of the rig. Since I just got the solar installed, take a gander at what 640 watts, 680 watts of solar looks like. They can tilt them, but I don't think I'm gonna need to tilt them. I got the tilt brackets to put on here if you want to draw more amps in. But at 9 o'clock in the morning, like I said, I was pulling in 14 amps at 9 a.m. There's probably a lot more now. Gorgeous mountains. And that's heading north on Plomosa Road, the mountain range up there. You can see people squirreled away in different fingers. Back in there, I had picked one out. Back in there somewhere with that mountain as the front porch. Well, we settled on this one. See, it's got a nice little road coming here right off the main drag. You don't have to cross any washes. If you go back in there, you have to cross a few washes. Not bad. I could have made it with the fifth wheel. It's just the idea of a longer drive going back in at like 5 miles an hour. That's a little look around the campsite from the bird's eye view. I'll probably put the grill out here and cook some hamburgers later this afternoon. Yeah, pretty nice scenery out here in the Southwest. We got another couple days here and then we'll be heading back to Yuma. We're gonna spend Christmas in Yuma. We're gonna be there for about 2 weeks and then we head back north. Eventually gonna make our way to the Colorado River Valley to the Lake Mead, Las Vegas area. I have a number of campgrounds we're going to be staying in. We're going to do some boondocking, going to do some resort camping. So we're really having a ball on our snowbird trip out west this year. My baby boy. Hi, baby. Hi, Milo. Mountains are pretty, aren't they?
Yep, but I like those ones better.
The ones behind us.